Location, 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 welcome to the Tiffany. Open floor plan west/large master bedroom west/a sitting area and mother-in-law suite on the main floor. Upstairs is 3 bedroom/2 bath plus a really big unfinished bonus room. All bedrooms have their own bathroom except for one. Kitchen offers granite countertops, stainless appliances and pantry. Master bath has jetted tub and tiled shower west/2 shower heads. Laundry room has cabinets and sink. Large back patio for entertaining plus a fire pit to gather around on those chilly nights.